Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a device from your Cash App. Okay, so it's a really simple process. So if you just open up your Cash App on your phone, and then the next thing we're going to want to do is go into the top right hand corner on your profile icon, and then we're just going to scroll down and get to security and privacy. So if you just select that, and if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll be able to see your devices. And here it's showing 2 devices connected, but if we just select view all, and then here it's going to open up further details about devices linked to Cash App. So the one that's highlighted with green around the phone is the actual device that you're on, that you're going to be currently using, because that's actually connected to Cash App. And you can see I have another device actually connected, also iPhone, under other devices. So then to remove that particular device, or to remove all devices on the Cash App account, if you just select sign out all other devices, and then it's going to prompt you again, are you sure you actually want to sign out of all other devices except the iPhone? And then you can just click sign out, and then this will disconnect any other device on your Cash App account. And that's it. That is how to remove a device from Cash App.